What it do, Savage Gang? It's your boy Greg B back again with another video. Don't mind me being shirtless. I'm just working on my masterpiece, crafting up my body, you know what I mean? Welcome to the channel, man. If you're new, this is our channel where we talk about living life to the fullest, getting fit financially and physically. So in today's video though, I know you see the title down below, we're gonna talk about affiliate marketing, all right? Affiliate marketing is what set me up in order to live the life that I live today, and I wanna set you up. If you need side income, a full-time income, no matter what it is, if you wanna start making money from your laptop, talking about having the time, controlling your own time, living life on your terms, then you're gonna wanna watch this video, because this type of video is what set me up and can set you up if you take it seriously, all right? We're about to dive into exactly what affiliate marketing is and the step-by-step system in order to start capitalizing on it, all right? So, nothing else further to do though, we got some announcements to make, y'all. Before we dive into today's awesome video, we need to shout out the comment and YouTube channel of the week. Thanks so much for leaving these positive, kind messages on the last video. Not only this, we also want to shout out the Instagram story and profile of the week. Thanks again for shouting out our videos. Now, if you're wondering how you can be featured in the next video, it's very simple. You can either leave a comment below on this video, or you can take a picture of this video and share it with your audience on Instagram. Just don't forget to tag me. Now, with that out of the way, let's dive right into the video. Now, affiliate marketing, how to step by step. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's what I like to call referral marketing. It's simply referring a product to a customer and getting paid, all right? Now, there's the digital version of that, and there's the physical version of that. I do digital version. I simply grab an affiliate link, which is a custom URL that I promote to other people. So when someone else clicks on that link and purchases something, I get paid, all right? For example, let's say that, I really like this candle for some reason, and I think everybody should have this, right? What I would do is I would go on Amazon.com, I would grab my affiliate link, put this candle in my affiliate link, so that when I send my link to somebody else, let's say my best friend, I'm like, yo man, you should definitely check out this candle. It's really cleaned up my sinuses or something like that. Then when they click on that link that I sent them, they'll end up on the Amazon page with this candle. And once they check out, I get paid. It's simply that, referring a product to a customer and getting paid, all right? So the reason why I love affiliate marketing so goddamn much is because that shit changed my life. You know what I mean? Now, I used to work 12-hour days, grinding hard, barely any money coming in after the long days of work. But now I'm able to work from home damn near in my briefs, y'all. You know what I mean? Like, I can do what I want, when I want, how I want. I ain't got no boss. I am my own boss. I work as hard as I need to work to make this money come in. Now, if you guys are looking for a side hustle, if you're looking for some more money to come in and make this a full-time gig, then this is the way to do it. And now a lot of people promote, creating a Shopify store, dropshipping store, run ads on Facebook for that store, doing Amazon FBA and all that. But it is good. But if you don't have a huge capital, if you don't have a lot of money sitting around to kind of push that up the hill, then you're gonna struggle. But with affiliate marketing, you don't need that much money to start. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you and say that, it's absolutely free. Of course you need some startup money, right? But it's real low. Anyone can almost do this. Now, we're not talking about hundreds of dollars to get started. We're talking about maybe a couple bucks, you know what I mean? Now, in order to get started with affiliate marketing, one of the first steps that I would say is that you're gonna need to pick a niche. And a niche is a specific market. So you don't wanna start talking to the whole world and promoting all types of items like pillows, TVs, plants, markers, shoes. You don't wanna go crazy, all right? You wanna start off by picking one niche, one specific market. Now, for example, if you have a passion, I think you should start with that, because it's gonna be a lot easier for you to create, content around that. Because once you do start picking a specific niche, let's say we pick the vegetarian niche for some crazy reason, vegetarian niche, right? Then the next step is I'm gonna have to create valuable content around that. After I create valuable content, like tutorials, tips, tricks, how-to videos, things like that, you then build an audience around that. And then you can insert your affiliate links into that content. So when you have now built and put in the work to build that audience, they're gonna click on that link and then you get paid for those who make a purchase. So that's one of the first steps. You want to find a niche. You want to also find a niche that you can kind of build content around, so you can build an audience, build a brand around it. Now, you don't necessarily have to be, the face of the brand. If you don't like to be on camera, then don't be on camera. You can create a brand that doesn't have your presence on camera. You can create a brand where you use voiceovers for videos, or you just simply write blog posts, things like that. An Instagram page doesn't necessarily have to have your face on it. It could be full of quotes, facts. You can link out to your articles, things like that, all right? So don't think you guys need to be, on camera taking selfies all day and things like that just to promote products. You don't necessarily have to do that, all right? It does help if you could, add that presence, that personal presence on camera, because people can relate with that, you know what I mean? So you don't necessarily have to do that, but first, start off by finding what is your niche? What are you into? What can you create valuable content around? And then you then jump into the next factor, which is what I like to call creating an email list. I feel like that's really important. It's not necessary, but I think it almost is, basically, because the email list, imagine, let's say you have 1,000 people at your house for dinner. And when you have that many people over, or when you have even like 2 or 5 people over, they're just waiting on your next, your next play. Yeah, they're waiting for the food to be served. They want to eat. They're ready for you. They're waiting. They're eager. So an email list is simply just like that. Imagine having 1,000 people in your email list, all right? That's simply the same thing. They're all eager, they're waiting, they're wanting your next email. They want to know what is it that you have to offer them, all right? So I feel like once you create, an audience, the next thing you should do is build a lead magnet. A lead magnet is simply a downloadable where you can collect that person's name and email address so that you can market to them further, all right? So that person might sign up for a free training, a tutorial, something valuable that you can provide to them in exchange for their email address, where then you can email them time and time again. Now, let's say, for example, I was promoting this candle, right? Maybe I could say, I could create a PDF that might explain to people how they can create their own candles. Now, I know that might be something they're interested in because they're looking at candles, and hey, if they're more of the DIY type, they're gonna wanna create their own candles. So I make a PDF, how to make your own candles. They give me their name and email in exchange, right? So after that, what would I do? I'd probably send them an email about this candle just in case they didn't buy. And also, I would send them an email about the other top 5 candles or other stuff like that in that niche that would be kind of relevant to them, all right? So building an email list is very powerful because that allows you to remarket that same people that you worked hard to get in the first place. Now, that's the general baseline of affiliate marketing. I'm not gonna dive in too deep with it. That's where you should start if you're a brand new beginner to this whole online business model. You're gonna wanna first find a niche. Who is your market? Then secondly, you're gonna wanna build content around that market that will be valuable to that audience so that you start to build up your own authority and audience in that niche. And then after that, start collecting email addresses by creating a lead magnet. A lead magnet, again, a downloadable, a PDF, a training, anything like that, something that's valuable. Then you're gonna start to have your own email list where you can then grab affiliate links, let's say on Amazon or other websites that promote products. We can talk about that later in other videos where you can find products, but let's just say Amazon. Amazon has their own affiliate link, affiliate network. So you can grab your Amazon affiliate link and then start promoting it to them in their email address, all right? Let's just keep it real simple for you guys, you know what I mean? But I want y'all to understand that you don't need to keep going to work, working that 12-hour shifts, barely scraping by, having no money to pay rent, because this is really a possibility now. If you want to be a savage, I highly recommend you check the link out down below for my #1 recommendation to get started in an online business. This is no joke, y'all. Now, a video like this is what set me free. I was skeptical at first. I was wondering, how the hell are people making money online? Is it really happening? Is it all scams? Is it what is it, right? But a video like this is the baseline, showing me exactly, how easy it is, and the general overview of how it's set up is what set me free. And I'm trying to set y'all free, so stop wasting time. Check the link out below in the description at least do yourself that privilege of at least being intrigued and curious, you know what I mean, to reach that financial freedom, all right? Now, it's your boy, Greg B, signing out. Man, I hope y'all understand the power of this, all right? Because, dude, affiliate marketing, promoting products is powerful, okay? If you have any influence right now, if you have anything that you really can dig with, and that you know, if you're a skateboarder, man, if you like to fly planes, if you like, you know, making your own picture frames, something crazy, I don't know, it doesn't matter, man. If you're into something, you could probably find a product to promote online. All right, if you're a book reader, you can promote Audible and get paid. I know you guys know about audible.com. Yes, you can get paid for that. If you take Uber rides, you can get paid for that as well. Just need to create content around it, my friend. Get into the affiliate marketing business. It is hot in 2020. It is something that you will always be happy that you started. I promise you. Now, just like this picture, this is one of my favorite pictures in this house. That's why I get its own wall right here. You see that right there? The whole pack swims between these limits, but you got to push yourself outside of your comfort zone. And just like affiliate marketing, sometimes you're gonna have to try something new. You know what I mean? I know people tell you to work that 9 to 5, but you're gonna have to push for greatness. You're gonna have to be a savage, boy. Come on now. Fuck average, be savage. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Let's get it.
I run it up cause I ain't never looking down again. And I just wanna see my mother hold a smile again. So I can't stop, I start a wave, got niggas drowning in. The streets cold, some wanna mount the shit. Them shots fire, niggas lucky if they found your shit. I hit the button, take it back, thinking about the shit. My niggas hungry, putting 10 toes down in it. With no